All right, so I think if I can remove this heat shield flex plate, push this up a little bit, and I can able to pick and remove the catalytic converter. What do you guys think? Maybe. Let's give it a shot. This one is upstream O2 sensor, and this one is downstream. There we go. I think we can pull this out. And this guy is a little different. Gonna use this tool. You can actually bend this a little bit so you can see the hole right here. You can poke that out and it's just gonna come out. Alright, now we gotta remove the heat shield. There's 1, 2, and 3 right there. 10mm. Okay. Especially if you're going the wrong way. Okay, 10mm. Okay, I got my 19. Won't fit. There we go. Okay, with a little bit of this. Oops, wrong way. Oh, I forgot my O2 sensor up there. Oops. Now we're gonna do this. Alright, here's the flex plate. It's out. I got a 12. Whoa. Why are they so tight? or maybe I don't try it harder. Okay. What else? We gotta deal with this bracket. Oh boy! Nope, don't want to break my tool. This is 14 millimeter, by the way. I think there's one more. Oh no. Okay. We don't have any extra bolt holding this one. Nope. Oh, well, we'll find out. That's pretty cool. Okay, this one is mounted right here. I think it's a lot smarter to put this one here rather than on the block. I like it. I think Hyundai think a lot better than Kia. Okay, so this is 10 millimeter with extra long extension. So right there. Oh. Okay, it's right there. I wish it's not one so like magnetic. I love this 10 millimeter with extension. All right, now we can see all of them. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna remove this O2 sensor so I can get extra room down there. Okay. There you go. Now, I'm gonna use my mirror. Yeah, we got 3 up here, 2 in the bottom. Right? Okay. Let's try this. Yeah, hopefully it works. There we go. In there. Ooh, easy. Damn. There we go. Got it. One out. It's right there. Alright, I'm in. And this guy needs to go in. There we go. There we go. There we go. 2 out. 3 out. And we got 2 more. All right, let's try this. Oh, that's easy. Okay, at this one, I got my long ass extension in a 12 millimeter right there. This is the last bolt holding it. Try not to drop the nut. It's right here. Then I believe we can pull this out this way. Yeah. Oops. 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 Oh no. Oh yeah. Really? There we go. Get this out. And got some stuff in there. Oh yeah.